Hello, today I will show you folding bread proofing box. It helps to create perfect environment for fermentation. One feature is I really like it has three-side heating system, the front, back, and also the bottom provides the heat, so it helping temperature stay even throughout the box. Get here, so and it's folding. Is all is zipper, so you can fold when you are not using. It's like that, and the inside. Okay, first this one we are putting here, after that one, and after this one, and your box is ready to use. Sure, anywhere 50 to 113 Fahrenheit. It's great for bread dough, sourdough, yogurt, or another and more. Built-in timer can run for 48 hours, so you don't need to check always proofing box. Also for preset mode, for bread, yogurt, sourdough feeding, and sourdough activation. So making it easy for beginner user. So let's try one example. Our dough, we are going to put it here. Okay, like that. Then we are going to close. Like that we closed. Let's look here. You can choose, this is 1 hour 23 Fahrenheit, you can choose, or here. Okay, for example here you can choose 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, whatever you want. Here you can choose Fahrenheit. Okay, when you press here, you can choose that 4 programs like sourdough, yogurt, or just dough, whatever you want. Look, it's changing the time and the Fahrenheit. Okay, look at it. It stays almost 2 hours. Look at the dough. Look at, it's perfect. It stays 2 hours. You can set the hours and the Fahrenheit whatever you want. It's highly recommended. Thank you for watching.